Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. So if you haven't downloaded the Grammarly extension yet, it's really easy to do. Just open up your Google browser and type in Grammarly extension. Click on Grammarly for Chrome, and then you should see a big green button saying install now. It's free. Click on that and it will be added to your extensions in your taskbar. So you can see I've got it added here already. If you don't see it, click on the extensions tab, scroll down to Grammarly and pin it to your taskbar. When you've done that, make sure you log in and create an account with Grammarly if you haven't already, and then click back to your Google Docs document. So you should see a little Grammarly tab in the bottom right hand corner. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to click on it, but what you can do is click on it and it will open up a little right hand pane where you can see any suggestions or edits, or you can keep that closed, it doesn't matter. So when I start writing, you should see that it starts to edit your text. So when you get a red line, you can see it says 1. So you can click on here to see the edits, or you can just hover over and it will give you the correct spelling. So all you need to do is click on that and it will correct your spelling. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.